nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor to 51 nautical miles west of Northerly Island, moving east at 40 knots. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.